obi anu adwene ho ye enne sika enti nipa ekuni nua kora wonwene ho nanso ka hu se atemu eda ho mo nipa bia Bible say twa so nipa wu prekope na owuo na chi no atemu wo ho enti ade bia wo ye no ya no wama we no ada wadwene no achi eno no betimi aboa guide watototo niam ahodo bi ya wo ye na daachi bi no se wonyankopon epie nani wonyamu a wanye yeraba yemmetiefo nyina chene mo akwa ba Sompa 106.5 FM Accra so enie ebredru so say yede Ghana Today dwumedie no ebremo Ghana Today eye dwumedie yedi no Adwoa da kosifiada 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 7 to 8 7 to 8 7 to 8 don hwere ba kope enti make sure say de bia obejoin yen yedi nkomofa o my Ghana ho de obonkrata hodo a eba de abedwafo ka de aban ka na yewia ye bie phone lines now so de wo bia no de aba beto so ede amaye kama yede aseda ema endpoint homeopathy clinic endpoint for ena womo ede ayaresapa aba besi wo manfo nyina abobo ano enti mepacho yade bia ma waye mobo yade bia da wo so ache yade bia tete wo mani petwetwe wo no fako endpoint homeopathy clinic won beye ho adwuma ede amawo ya ho wo asem oba ne be me to da ye kan wo a na nipa adwen dodo no akoma ne so da bi enye manko na wo problem o sese kura no na mitie doctor bi doctor amoa wo kire mu se enne ehwehwemu kura wo ma ye kire se mema wo infertility issues more echen ema entifa ko endpoint no wo nhwewo ebia na low sperm count ebia na wo de no ebia na wo so wo problem bi eni ade a etuo no de wo topa but enku aboa bia eye endpoint homeopathy clinic say ye prostate eye premature ejaculation we nyina premature ejaculation ni ade uni obi tukwa kokumase wa ahwe scenario no udi obi tukwa kokumase udru konongo no wo say minko biem how mi kan kura bia nipa kro no kura no onim kwan no wo yesa wa ha de wa ha dwen fako endpoint homeopathy clinic na wo monye ho adwuma efa mo se de be ya kwantuo no wo betimi atu na wakọ akwakoduru eye endpoint eye kidney eye liver eye nerve issues ana endpoint homeopathy clinic Spinters Road ewo Accra ye frɛ baabi shell signboard eho na obehunu endpoint homeopathy clinic ena kronoma bo ahia to Kumase baako wo ho frɛ Dr. Dubuatin ewo 0244 867068 0244 867068 and 027423 4321 027423 and pay me can for Hajia special local food said the amount no watch your boy ya Hajia set in the table was a sheni man ho watch sifa banku ne tilapia isifa enkruma sifa chese fried rice isifa assorted no isifa my favorite no ena ni akeke ni nyina prepransa ne wo mom keke ho no bowura ho na kokodi udie wo ho ye pe baabi asese yesi me nidi rough yare aba enti make sure say ukodidi a wape joint bi ye trusted tested and trusted eye Hajia special local food unim se sompa sebe ye nkyere wade fom enti koho ne kodidi serene environment ahonidie ejina so kama eye Hajia special local foods say bia wo no ntimi nko hacho atomic kwan so na opese ye delivery de brew ewo office ana efie bebia wo bia fre Hajia na make you order no ye de bebrew sima eduasa entem eye 0246 359921 0246 359921 and 0594 797215 uwi apekasa natural mineral water ni binenom program bi a wo ye fa bi som ahoho eye yeyo weddings parties eye kasa natural mineral water ye wo sachet ye wo bottle and ye wo dispenser gallons and ye disease ye fee and as offices ukwa no akubu ekuli ana yeshi ni nyina obenye bi Kasaloma Ventures na kofa ediaba Taifa Back Hospital nechi honoma ewa Accra eho na behunu wo 0206 469430 0206 469430 30. Sompa your client service line and that's who ye adwuma intimate patch of friend ni uni nkomo. 0531886216. So your business. We be your business be baby I was shani ye hunu. Obu one services no top notch or you're very good pa. Nanso obia enten in kansan say baby I was shani mwa. Fabra ni entoma we a company we organization we advertisement company we do products aba afi na mo launch afi na mo bia no afi na mo tutu niema Fabra Sompa 106.5 na yembo hu de wuro mfama na wankasa be hu se results no bedi hu adanse 0531886216 0531886216 womada roma ene de Ghana Today dwumedie no ebremo ejapia apam no dada no a watena se sara nso ena odoma nkoma chiame Obrempong na kwakwa mpoma enso atena se anope ebejafo memo akwaba
ya jo mu esquire
bibi aboko
yeho hu ya mobo
yede nyame ase
tananya hu mobro no
ye inka ye fahen ye fahen da bia meka se nkwawura ne awurade enkwawura sebe enye se meka we de akai wo bi ya wana se ede aye bad nano na ebeto just Ghana strongest abrantie ne baako woda ya wansore
strongest strongest ane chese de ne ho aden pa
me hu news no ade baako edi kan ba mitrim ene say we exercise ben na onye ade yo mu ye se benya aduane bia na wo mu di wo mu ni di rough majini ne matai ni ade debi salad touching ni ade debi their diet is very guided omo show mo didie mu ye pa yo mo exercise bibia ye kama enti edien ene ko bone ena ebesi mitrim se enkwa wura eni awurade mesi wobetinya menka se eye bone se obe exercise oh very good tretire wapomu didiye hwe so ye make sure say wo ye de sese wo ye bia ba me pese me ma wo ti ase se enye no na be prolong wo nkwa
enye no na be to nkwa ndam
debi enti wo da na wo bɔ mpaya ana wo sɔre na wo bɔ mpaya na wasere awurade se ma me nkwa tenten se de be ya metimi adi me nkwa amen
okay
enti se na ade achi
nkopon adoma kyede ne da nkwa na mo wo ye na awurade
se wo betena se ache na awurade nsem obi ayare 30 years oda ho onwi
ebi nso frɛ
obi nso o sorry da kro ne yesi wo kɔ jogging wo buhwe ye didn't do hospital no na wa ye nyame dia eti nkwa ne de ekura nipa ba ko pe ono ne ye dan no
na wo nkwa mo wani nyi na da nyame ase
sa eti ye de rade ase na den na ekɔ nkrata na ba
no de nsem na
nkrata na ba
daily guide na halfway ko no aba
oh okay
daily graphic edemanim and every the Ghanaian Times the Bokrata and only the Mikura no pay.
Chronicle and 70 bi wa ha. And a daily post to. Another has usual. And that's what he ink so kakra.
So what's here for two? What's here for two?
But and they are no be can I am cause
won't wine as I say. Eja Koi, my mouth.
Yeah, live for
4 minutes.
106.1. Why? Techi my sompa. Why ne champon we be money. And afi adwuma wura kwa mbo atia bi no sompa 90.7. And no ye bono na puye fam. Enti bono an halfway ko. And 101.1 so no. Obapa ye ka chire so bi mu enya asam ketwa watakwa na afa. Na anope ma mfa Ghana for mere no. Enhye ase. Yeah, live for Facebook no so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ya no waba be che na nua bi nso anya bi na do wadwenkyere asan so aka ho aba Ghanaian Times the Bokrata most authoritative newspaper the wode na ma no pay no wode brofu bi aba establish customary land secretariat to curb land dispute traditional leaders told where Dr. Gad Asoway akwasibi wono na de saa asemi ato so anopa Ghanaian Times wetwa e de aba ebio wɔde yɛwura Emmanuel Amakofi bo amfoni aba abɛtoa ɛna wɔkyɛ sɛ aban no wɔrevoku EIA 144 sɛde bɛɛ na Achimota Forest Reserve no obetumi asa ahyɛ ne foforo bio ɛne nti ɛno nso wɔ ha ɛna afei anamo a wɔn mu tuo ɛde akoatia fam agudi a wɔn mu tuo na mfa mmra kwan so efrɛ ne gadamsey no ɛno nso yɛwura Emmanuel Amakofi bo a genen town demokrata no wabobɔ nsɛm no nyina krata fɛ tɔ so dumienu ɛwɔ hɔ ya ɛno nso yɛbɔ so ɛde ama yɛtiefui na wɔse sesie Ramusufo NAS said to deploy 500 RMUs Ramus nationwide.
Yedi asem
and what catapult
and no yedi adi.
And no Ghanaian times now. What they asem na babetua. Na just say nipa 500. Na sa 500 non so no. Womuni. The National Ambulance Service. Womune nasifo no. Is to deploy 500 rapid motorbike response units. Ramusufo no. Said the woman said the beya. Ebia na atrenchem no nkwanhye na sintem moto no na aduru ho na yakwakọ hu said ebesi afa ya afọ no. Na etoda kwan ya yefa so efa apirafo bi etimi eka obi kura nan hyehye ne bo ede ne to abobo ye mu no. Na nka wo ngui enso ye nuru na ye di kan kura bubu na pre. Enti sade beye na saa nneema ni nsi no ambulance service wono mo hyehye ya wo ma ye bie na anopai Ghanaian Times the bokrata wo bo so aja ye twa ede aba betoi. Why Accra's floods demand distributed silence, not another great pond? Page 7. What say? Science yiri ya bankran na bi kire na yintuta de kase pa na nsuo ni bi nkonko gum na eba sa anyira amfa yen nom na ho ade na ono se enye no ene betimi ama yatu saa nsu yiri nase na mom eye yen yesu no ene yabrabo ene de yewe yen ho ene wo se yesesa no anopai de edenambia na bono anahafo eku no anopai wo eku wo de asembia ba betoa mrase badwafo muntie na we no oponchecheku adamfo wono anso na akọ bono mantamu a sunwane west hono we mrase badwani Millicent here wala
oh yeah, another beautiful brain woman
yeah no correct na MP supports
same kind
nsuatre traders with interest-free loans. Aye.
No interest. Millicent,
na buna halfway kokro na no wasande brekun west mrasebedwani ona bokwa bna kire Stuttgart wode wone ne DC asoma ede aba beto na ozo wo makwa commission 6 unit classroom block ewo amankokwa na afi Rango construction nso no saa sampa drobo eba brekun kwa no wo mo asphalt nti eno nso wetwa de aba beto ha contractor so ne sisi no wo hwese sinanim no sede wo mo ye no enya se wo mo ye ne sespa na mo wo mo nye ma ne nye pompo pa te se orman kuma pizza na ebio wasande aba beto e kire se so na akonnwa no se oba bono na pu e famu a chama ya wote so yewura Ibrahim chama abi wo sanso akobio wafa forms edaha na honorable Thomas Aduape ade wafa dada former chairman na afi David Boache wodaso a ehwese akonnwa no secretary no wobesa so atana so bio eno nso wo ha ya no pa watwade aba na nadu ni wono ahafo mantemu no wose so no betimi agina ne naso pa yesa nkasa hohe wo ma no eden pa anopa ne de no cabinet approved mining law overhaul land ministry touts against cross sector na we wode ababeto ewura Emmanuel Amakofi boa ne nyina ye de Ghanaian Times di kan boss so watch say government revoke EI 144 no
Daily Graphic so DB
and one what the aba
okay.
Now what the kwan bi aba betoa motorists raise concern over Accra Tema motorway project which my smoke ho sa kwan no mpenimfo nti wo mo ni hwe na asa de na etie kane no a se wo mpese wo mo ye no contractor no se hu na wo hu wi a o ma wo mo fa plan dada no nkere no no wo hwe no wo hu no yo se sabi ne niema nso na entoto ye nso a wo mo hu ne ye se wo mo de yo no sika nso na wo mo fa ma na wo mo fa ma no no wanye adwuma eno nso de e na no pay Daily Graphic ucha ede buy
okay
now why anyway
Anambo.
Where did the champs
France for coaching.
Sir, one to me and Kofanas one.
Oh, David.
Yo, did the champs on San France for the Ghana for? Sir, coaching to me, I'm in the pet
near Apam
and to another so or the man
anyway.
But about that for Saturday, we answer no. Yes, I am.
Okay. Eja mamena wase Daily Guide no emi say issues now boss ndodo no awode aba minority boycott Bank of Ghana briefing over media ban. Enkrofoi enti yera kojo upon kroma wono na address media no government to earn 550 million Ghana cedis from KGL in 2027. Miracles Aboajen so Ninsam no say Yoko never quizzed me on 55 million Ghana cedis stolen cash. Woman bisane he say bia say me wohu I'm not against accountability. E we are say de onipa bia wonya accountable no problem. Enti say yes, say the responsibility bi sha wonsa. You need to be accountable for it. Eso obu hu akonta o ade we ya mode ma me ye ni say e fa ha e ko say. But no so nkyere say take advantage of sa to me na o wo se wo be mu obi aye accountable no na mo de ye che say what the empache na say e wo say yes every before na say mo o aye o madwuma o aye o niam basa party ne nhihye ne ade bi enhye da nyina ye ne obeti say constituency ha ka ne ade wo mo problems wo mo challenges yeah wo mo ye o ma de but I think say as a security services ne bi ya amanaboro so kochi obi a che no kwan paso
obi sam
asa this not the first time.
Yes.
This not the first time.
Okay.
Some toys die ba ye ya ye kochi na ahe kora na yesi ye hu ba bia wo hye oh esa no mama nkrofo anya asem ka
okay
ho asem wa ha na wahu isa meth $208 million meth shipment issue here ba ye
or minister say government appointees ni
say ya chi nkrofo too energy commission adwumayefo mienu ya che wo mo enti no so ho asem we nyina we o man ayetim enti eno ye Daily Guide kwaku di aka no
so foti ne baby na o wia no wa kwa akoto correction no akasa bompaye ma
na so for so
nhire ma adwuma so
bompaye ma no wo bere kwa wo bokro no nkopon nhira kro no adwuma
na se no de sofo nim nti on de on adwuma no wo ye e de wo ne wonya nkopon
nyame ano ntensa no nti wo hira wo ye adwuma
nti be kwa so abokro no
uti wo timi fa
na se nhira no nyame ne de nhira no nyame ne de ma enti se wo nyame se wo pese wo hira wo obi enye obi ne be ka chense Awurade hira we
Adwoa ma fa Daily Post in shame de na se wa ha na Daily Post de aba hwadio sane Bank of Ghana nra wono call parliament ya opon che kude ho ama ne bobre ya de hot bite mpo se wase one man central bia titru pana no opon che kude one ne bonko mo keke kra wode beba majority for no se no mo kanu no wo mo ye so mo man central bia nyina nchen ho kra no dom kuma no sore ye no ena mahama yarega se munim ne amoka mo na no aye na yefo ba ye man central fo gina ho wo mo se de bi ayesa na no papa ya ne ba be me ko ware obi ba ye de items nyina begu ho list mu ne nyina begu ho afei ye yi ni nyina wi obai papa se afei de obaje ye so wi machine aka ho as ade enso nka list ne ho papa ya no so ne ba be me ko ware ne mama ne yensa di kan ware wanyi obi aso wi machine wa na papa yi sori no tutu ne ntuma gu ne kon ho se abusuafo mo wa ha o me se wa ha wo so obaje den do mama hi so wi mahin ai ebra akoso na wo mi ware meji mahi na busuafo ne di na chinaka da bi na ya mere ware meji mahi
da bi
no mo so age so da bi na ne kura bra na Adwoa Hilda ware meji mahi wo mo si da bi o se na nko ade obaji mahi ene obaji anwan obaji
Okay.
Ebi na nro esi ye no we no buza we ba ye
mo ba mo friends
ya ma mo ba ho central for is there na we nkwa dem ba se mo ba ene mo ba ji aba mo ba ji aba etianra ma ya rega be defend na MP for say bantima bato na mo to ye no wo mo nto ye
say
afija say kire east
about 32 constituencies
wo mo nto ye
omo de isa nto ana omo de so bolo sisim no bi na ekọ ho nti na anya electoral commission
ya ni ada no me de odoman kuma sip egu mu no be ye birthday
enu bi
no omo de ko no nya electoral commission certified box
na me see e de asem kure
omo de kitchen knife ebo so to
ebo ni to kuro wo so enchen se nko omo de ade etu no mo enu ane sa ne nsa no aye kato so se ne enya approve enti adansia squad ye nso sa se ho na Katie Hamo no Katie Hamo enti eno nso de no na miracle say if the intentions was to break me it failed was it amoche ne kwase was one person mububu na pra afekwa no mama no energy drink
wo de yaduma beli wa
wono so opie ba ye na no be kwa ye say afekwa no papa no nyom no kwa de asi enti mia minie me na me ba no ba kwanu asi afekwa no atiche afekwa no be hu no mu bezo mbehu na cabinet revoke executive instrument 144 ayi nia ema say Achimota forest kan no na manfo twitwa ton ya revoke no with immediate effect nti say Achimota forest no still remain forest reserved nti no accountability series na ze no ye bo so kra hot bite ni so ema papa ne chirechire mu kama ai ama kofibu a wo chirechire mu honkomo no wa ha na ai gold board for na sana wo mo ene was gold board reward nakok na Aquatic Control Commission for Juma wo mo yenti gold board for the 12.65 million Ghana cedis e de ama wo say landmark goods wo mo fanya adwuma what
brasa minie
wo ya adwuma pa check ni we kra de wan fa da me check we correct check ni kra
brasa me
we anya na da me check what then odi ama wo ha se ya
esquire
wo boy adwuma pa nti na jeje no ma so obuba mante wono de na won se na akokofo wo ne de o ma no ana ja waje na kama
nse na no so wo mkoye waterfall nso aye
oh yeah say no I say collective responsibility
treatment plants na
wo mo factory
about 8.5 million
wo mo boy adwuma pa na adwuma me free hotel na me nko chronicle and na chronicle quotation the buy no dey say and na me ne papa ni di nkomo a me hu ya ne say ansem a me busebusa no chronicle akọ hu quotation ne dia beto he ne enti wase ya yenkenkan Galatians foforo no Galatians 4:16 asem wa da ho no wo de ye beba ho na me bohwi ne makọ akọgina mu me constate wo page 8 na me de aba won say ye kaso obi nwo a ya na amanfo say ye no me na me Cecilia King en wa chiro dia beto he say ye ka childlessness ya a medical condition enye case na ne di kan kura wo mu a eno ne the first medicine I di kan wo mu kura no say obeye no kwafo e de ma medical officers medical personnel obeye no kwafo ade ne ye busa kano se ne yete no bi o wa se wo fede wo mpese wo beka bi na wa nton wo yade a wo ye de na anya no aduru enti eno ho nkomo no na mani age ho pa se wo de sa sembo ese e de e baaye na
ebi wo bisa no kura na ne
bu afu mi wa wo peba
o tu cheek ma
na wona na matwea wo breko a ye betimi aye medical yi apɛ hu mu aye de ama wo
ye omonko endpoint
na wo no mai
endpoint
na me kan say munya atwea no bebre ne ko na momra endpoint na munya no kwafo ma doctor edubu ate ne doctor kwaten na afi wo momma mpa ho anu yie ne mfama mo enu asem bi si wo bo ase na hwa brante ye timi so mo kire bibi kitwa bi watiwa na no na ye possible abrante ye okoku obi a omo se na omo di na this will be Joseph Nyaba kire mu yi Sedu Masaudu one friend Masha adwa he na no Utimi say we dey bibi kitwa bi. Ana wa konso no ne girl no a ne girlfriend no di na chi ne ko osirim. Say ja we dey ewu awie wadwane na ne girl no so ja ntini ne ye ne de. We dey achiri boko na wona ne ko. Ye nti wa che no. Ya wo mo aka no nso so no. Wo se wo behwehwe na omnyina na ya agro group na no mu di agro na wuo ne fa so baaye. Na Gandefo na e ka say Reverend Peter Bedu, Ghana Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. One must say, Galamsey is poisoning Ghana's food chain. As someone, one more wire near to her. And simple and short.
But talking quotation, and I am.
Some of what jump, we hano. Was say, when security agencies are used as weapon against opponents. As I mean, I maybe kind of security agencies are more allowable. My do me young crew to Juma, politicians ni do me young crew to Juma no. And no some for so I can hey. Local rubber for processors no. One say amount for say monopoly, one rejects a monopoly claim no cry. Galatians 4:16. Asama ye kan nyina say your time for asama na yebusa. Say Galatians 4:16 say, have I now become your enemy by telling you the truth? Have I now become your enemy by telling you the truth?
No kware a meka kire mu nti e na afei mabeye motamfo yi.
Mon fa se mi Ghana immigration service for mame. Nene me ba wom so nti adwa somni aka mu na
okay.
Ya ba quotation we me de be ya adwuma busa wo masem.
0260196064 0260196065 oba wo 1 minute 30 seconds o de be ye nche a wara ujejiriji. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho hwan na machia no.
ABC.
Okasa free abede yenti.
Abede. We den chatu enkoma you asama. Me pacho asama from information mu. And na Collins, Deputy Communication Officer. Me pacho also muntuman. I'm money for me pacho on na neko. Me pacho ye captain ma am da pa ono a na ban Deputy Communication Officer me pacho ko katamaso. Na so chart ewo umo organizer me pacho tema west on so call and original chairman oba me pacho my kitete on so call Abigail law umo organizer oba me pacho second member na kwame akakwino me pacho ya na we mente yempe po bi ase news bi aba say na yeti financial bi aba say mo am news ka question no munja na we kataso ma me pacho dey tell you to aba ma o ya tu mi say nyema nkoso e wo omanu bo ama for who buy it's so say okay the office no this guys enkoya me pacho kotume na ye ayo ka che ye den enti me say before mu ye bia mu tie na feso ye da nyame ase say achimota for example for the year well emo mo busha for no ye che ye da mo ase pa ya mi sha e sa pan mama ote mama
ABC Medasipi Anopei. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Okay. Mama mpeki we e wa hanum si. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho dini baby akase free.
Me pacho Frank Naro new Domi Mayo
yenti wa no pay.
Yo miniaba. Anopai mama ntia the boss. Greater Accra Regional Organizer. Bo Anthony Nkwenu. Na me say Adwoa Asare. You be a friend to our Deputy Secretary National.
Domi Mayo, mframa bo baby I want a panty dan on ho kakra.
Madam home. What really kakra.
Yenti.
Aye. It is a threat as to here for. One of one to know every year as a regional organizer, Greater Accra. Then she do my year. I mean, this I am who Greater Accra here. Not just for national. In the whole Ghana, no, a Bema and this is why I know I'm a travel market. It is a threat, and then do some young man to Nico, no mayor, Deputy General Secretary, and this is a manual. It's not about check. Before, and Panisi and the scope, it will be a giant or ethical. Yes, I be a chapel, and yes, I be a wasso. No more yet, just someone almost better and Madonna. Miniaba, almost a year so if you be a bema or more. Then so I am near Ghana home. I am near Ghana home. Womu ye, and a police yama police yama, Yoko Yajima, and a young brain, Yoko boy, Yoko negotiation. See now how minus 2 days. Dr. We are also about the president. Now, we are the president, Daddy. Now, Emra, Atobia, and by the police for any your proposal to say, or the top of Ghana come. Now, so I'm praying, and I'm running to Manchester, who are president. Omo Madi Ghana, Kenya, so I'm very free.
Domi Mayo, Medasipi, 0260196064, 0260196065. Hello, good morning.
Abaima, Anapenya Nyasugi, and Kanu for our studio.
Enkaunso, Mebacho wine machine.
Mebacho, Edina, Nana Amwakwa, Mekatafi, Esboy.
Nana Mwakon, our Casafre Suboy, Yentiu.
Mebacho, I Anapay, Infant Jacket, Emma International Chairman, Yura, Honorable Wati, Ediako. Then check the Nukabina, Chairman for MPP, Yura, as it entered Burfen to my eyes. Then and Abi, any man, Adwoa Asare, the national treasure. NDC MP or man than a year. You know the man in paying for our personal interest and on political interest and only the Omoyan. Because the more money you and the idea for money and I'm some more jam or minor. I don't know about them. No, you are after forcing. They will go num Elicopunum, Colorado and Mujina and Brano. Young the government of Ghana, not other things. No, Jamrano. What is the of the Muyan Muka very postcard? I'm going to be near to you. When the Mubaya, or you want to go back, Yanka to get about a moment to know. But would you be a man of Farako, Nakot, and everyone in a man a year, the way the item is intimidation, and I'm ready before you to be from the first woman, and you cool, Abania to with your man. We in the Muka, where I'm going to 24 hours, I'm going to be Bamagana for a good science. And for Magana, you never catch you and make a mistake. I didn't know why. You go down and a home. I don't really government and got
Medasipi Nanamwako. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho dini baby Okasefree.
I want to very idiot because I feel Santa Maria.
You're all saying?
Idiot.
Okay, Yenti on Free Santa Maria.
Yo, Mamia or Namia with you for Elanupe. I don't pay me a massive here. I'm say, MPP party, no, Namen Ukrainian. I said a party not performance or not party here. This time party, no, SAN party, no, SA. I didn't Canada. Say, Eva Betwaba, now, or they say, national executives, such a basic view on Ma. Say, a 200 more bano, 9 years. If you want that, and I to a banana. Not by war will get to say or him, I have flown and Gaza body. Now, would to me, dear, Mount Casabo, Pipes, Namuko farm will go for Namuko or 2 Abanoma, not party, Mupe party near and I said Mupe party in a day. Everything the course of Bandima, oh, party no, they almost say party no. No, Prada or Ma, no, yes, party no, the old man, who Catasso, there be Nana, what you Gazan and go for him. One say party, no, by one day, not 2 years, not Chema would be no what quack of us here, one would eat. And you Chema would be who posts or the same national Chema. And by one way, no more yen be not the only party in Womudigano or in Mamedati.
Menso Medasipi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Ejenimu.
Oh, yeah.
Eradiadum.
Alabai, why you cook up your dear?
Adianchin.
Again, when you get a drop on Copenia, when you are Mugu and the encounter and then bring a canum. You, Alabai, MJ Yami, the Bass Alexia chain. Menja doesn't go Kodia on it, say the neighbor. And I be, you're getting free. That's not an answer. You're the new quack or transfer back Chema Kuyan, so the woman who you are. Or as a Nawu, or as a Wabba Peter Accra, national woman, and organizer. Rika, or as a for woman treasure. Or no boy to my papa. Who feel and come by and say, you, the American, Namu Kagalam say once them. Galam Jana, begging you. As a Yako. Results we are my. Others who move there too. I don't go to two. Young TV. Now no medicine what a poor cassette. And I'm gonna change it. Omunti and near you for me now. I say, you got a very young swallow. In the above position, you know. One of our uncle, I'm saying, or 10 and I say, get the Akoba into Omodin. So be to a married. Mom said, if you come with you. Well, let's watch him.
A Jenny Mo Medase. Hello, good morning.
The campaign manager, Papa
Collins.
I don't know. I could push out Majwa.
Oh, sure.
Trouble constituency, NDC, executive say, Omobeshem in Yam, Nakupoya Duma, Eda October, Bosumi Dana Yetu Abano, as deputy communication officer. Obetoma be pumpa because Omohim, Ejuma Pai, woman more, but in the sum, NDC, any trouble. We never share. We decide MP to communicate and say, again, I can't more, they don't know. The good people of this country, the American can say, almost those who see NDC and MPP. If the MPP can create it, Yamuba, it's me. Yanam Wakunum Baba, and no man my day, and the Yanam Wakuna say, and so sorry, I'll say, yes, one of the free, and your bonnet, Uncle. No coffee, no mapa and DC. Any President Muhammad gave good approach. On Tonka, when this son was a ne, you take no muscle. And you want a car be this a brain pain one of Bamba or my gun and more, you better be so. And net and he said, President Muhammad, you buy it, you have so. Which is a good leadership. We say, yes, the set Ghana, I'm a Ghana, Yakono, the Vivian, NPP for some move back 2024. 2028, Mukati Asiti Apam Sam, she constituency election Kekekura, Akoya Babo, Asutro, any Yakaka, when I'm with the will come for Rata Fabra.
Collins, Medasipi, Saudo, dear Friamamole, Ebaye. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho wine machine.
Oba sono, Oba Papa, Adwoa. Mammy, no pum to son of pay.
A radia do maybe now so.
Me pacho, Ebe Vinia.
Toto Quachi. Eh, Udi me bow. A dinner yak pachi, and now Quachi.
Yes, a patchy.
Pachi.
A KP.
Oh, okay. Me the Debia Mecano Quachi.
David Vinia Quachi. Patches some chevre. It has one.
But you ain't one of pay.
Mammy, I am a yasa, me demi time by address issue, but Toba Boami can have it there. None were ja Nimu. Sorry, a Janimu Cafra. Or Robon Quasi Boating, the D Matem.
Oh,
Yes, for the D Matem. Me buried the son of the Jimmy because that's an MPP call for F4 rented junkies and the call here demonstration. Me pacho. And no crack and almost as MPP grassroots. The penny phobia to no man and say, a Banisana MPP, who are time to the say, almost pet party for a demonstration, this some cofa junkies or circle.
So, Becca, you know, me catch and say, wedding, no, also be a news. One man and chance sign. Now, winning me, Michin and him, say. Na openi kwasi atiase asane ebe wakwa da nyansa fo megitum na munim eno ma obi a ho kwan se onfa obi enya kwa na se enidi obi atem kete mpacho se de bi asem a me ye kan wa ha no se oba kan wasem neko ubetimi kan wasem wa bra wunyusu sa offensive words no
opemi ehuna na
eye wo de bra wasem ne so na yenko
mami eya me yawo onsa e Monday ni ton and Ramantimi and Grammy Boom Samantimi and Gram. I am Yao
Kafra.
Let me just say, Minnie Bayat and Tango, honorable radio.
Oh, there no cry, Mijidi said, baby, will be here.
We came some phone and here, maybe well. That's so, Mamma, Mamin Kaki to be on me fancy. Punim, Denis Abuadion, or a young man, Miss Reno. I am piano, and yet Nicasa and Tina Yachino. Speculations and in say, with the office be super. Let's be a man in quanta, or match him.
na se eye ne kasa ntidi a menye sure sen ko bi beche no na mum so se o magyan na afi no beto ayirim dia ene on kan che ne party for sabio tenimdiefo bi omu a o ka chemo mbeti se next year frame amamuma na se na me beto ayirim na se wan kasa nkyere wo mu na se yama ni bill nti ofi se all is done ene afi no all the court
Totokpachi medasipi anopai. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Obajo Adepa. Now, what you say?
Erade adom na nso e.
Adom ni asiwi. Wama mi akwenye. Maminchia mi MP. Honorable Likuma. So when you pass on the ten, when you answer me, bomi ya na nebo.
Mbachwa. Okay, Likuma se mi de mi hu kras mi hu se ye ben.
Medasi. Maminchia Honorable MP. Likuma plugu enape. MC Agboju ma Paul Mobo na Mr. Osman. Emeni dua October ekotwa aba no. Ono na oko chairman abebo Honorable Likuma Chidam na minchia Oracle of the regional secretary. Currently, retired regional youth organizer, and Mr. Brown, so for Election Commission, Chiano, TDC boss, Harry Makafu, the Niku, na Koju, Dankwa, and then I know to the deputy national communication officer, the Bomachino, Abigail Elom, or as national women's organizer, Master Chief Executive, Akopo Bono Humode. Ninyaba, at times, one a year ago, na medical bomba about pase ne elai omo ye fiwo a ene untinu bon ryan forest no afi untinu ko fa abansa ase infom senior ye man na do ye nhwe han a the late John odi che ne wo fa ase ne mo girlfriends ne ade bi nsi ye da se na ye pe ye swe ansa ye hu ne mu oduro na na mo ako ye ota fresh but ota kan ti mo se amamu na nye ne fra amamu nti na sire na na mo akose ne refi a me kan no ombie nani obehu se ko yimi se emo ana eto no 110 no ene emo na 70 Ghana cedi me nya me pese me ya de tinti me mo hwe in 2025 ye dibro nya ma he ye chemo ana bi nsida isa na mambo papa aba amuta na yentimi nche twa da ye kura pa so pa mutimi ye Safi zanka mo na 110 anka mbetimi a kire ma up na mo du busu che we chese mambo papa aba ye hu bebi amode de la kosi
Eben medasipi mempeke me last two calls. Hello, good morning.
Hey, and mama di anga mawu. Every makum live from Kantamanto Market, Accra, Ghana. Mama mba chawotenga.
Mete wonka pa orobo.
Ya fidi makutu baby o mawu.
Orobo mete wonka. Mete wonka.
Papa, mba chawo ya die.
Erade adom na orobo ni.
Obrempong Apam Dadaa me nyonko Jerry. Abusiafo amuwo studio nya nyango boy champa mbanka metama na
Wonsha orobo chain orobo
greater Accra woman organizer na omi akosi
orobo wutie de America no me say ote menka
afena metonka na o se marketing tinu ani de betonka
me say ansa na ube kan wasem no mesrew asama wokati atotokwachi na no aye ne ya pa minimisa me onya abotre nya abotre obrobo nya abotre wo see unsa that day no wo frɛ ya wo kan na meka kyerɛ wo sɛ asama wo si obi aka enye no kasa ne ho nte no na wo so use the same thing to correct eti mesrɛ wo sɛ de asifa aye ne ya no esa wotimi wo de pa ne kyɛw why na ane
ono wo didi atom no mom ne mpensan fa na jomame ye kenya fe
enya tem didie no ho na wo pa na kyɛw so wo kan me ka kyerɛ ne sɛ kasa ne de wo ka kasa bi na ho nte a enye enti the fact say
wa when kasa ye mini o kasa ko ye wa we de o kasa excellent
enfom so mienu ntene ade what dem patre na say
oni para kasa no say what no you should cut to no
Samia mia mapane cho dada but mimi ni wani ni enti chesa de America no wuntie me nya sa
ametie una acha opana azme mpanumenti ati obekwa ono kwa na efo pachew na so me kan wa we do mfa ntame
kan wasem ni ko
we do ma me so nyina kan tru ma me mpa chew politics na ye je no oh NDC me no NPP oh hat of folk me no kotoko anya dokwa ne yeko e do ba kakata ho te da obi nya na o me serial caller oh serial caller ayenye sikani mi no bana be yamia mami nya dia betre wa hwe han obi a to de ne mo bi ni me da se yan kakasa ho te me ne de ba kasa e kasa ho te kama ka bright said o kasa morning I'm in my bar.
Oh, Robon, so medas, me pick me last call. Hello, good morning.
And you pick your last call there, the one near the man and I was scared down so mine.
Dan so man, I know Sika into you.
My minister in charge you as a man or for communication officer. Bulu also quarter coins. MPP and call for the Navy, let's ready for. Or call it the door, Adwoa Asare. I want tomorrow no support party. Pinyaba. What me by radio to be people no can say MPP can say donkey. And I could go yoku. Would you make a bit of area? What did you no can say because that donkey? Me not make a hobby. Me and no me no na nanti ko ba dia na me kan obi wu me say me catch them say me hu na wo ska ko gina ho numbi. That's a put check me a donkey. Ya de o me kan no me kan bi say wa wo de wo say your own patcho. Your own patcho on patcho kina. Me aka bo ade tia mo che no. Wo go put ro ma cha say oba ho no. It comes to one of the ball one now. Who's Shadia? Then you can't have these callers and not have done these communicators. Or who's Shadia? Or what Tia, no one can tell you. Or what Tia, no one class. Who compose a room, what I say? You didn't make about the better one. Only becomes one a ball, no. That's saying what on Mukano Yoko on them. One can one city and one to Yoko. One go put a romacha. What go on Shadia? You go wake up, or call you. What you catch as a more could 70%. Number 30%. I'm probably putting 70%, 10% about, and they come on me and can know it's going to us.
Medasipi, Obia Crantoasu because I had a medisi. Na ene hit ye baidie, anodin. One say, and from so me no entniadi. The fact say Obia yam from so doesn't mean say also Brabayan from so any betwas. That's the point I'm trying to establish here. Oh, it is will be a casentria somewhere. Oh, Baba correct now, so the casentria near Baba correct. There be a yenesa. Oh, yenesa. It would ye. Medamunyi nasi. I had a medimusiano pay. Medimusiano pay. Na ya sorry ako. Birthdays bakum you won't be ye free kwaimu. Na ye jai dia kan kwa kuyenkwe.
Yo, and birthday near family birthday. Na me bra bako. A friend Pastor Nicholas Apam Dadaa.
Okay.
The donor friend Unyame Badako. And I say Emperor. It's another Emperor birthday. Senior, happy birthday. Nyankopon show. Onya okese onte na nimcho. No man was rana no so. Baby akwampono bia mu atoto bia no. Wonam ene ede kuri so. Na wo mie bia akwampono bia. Na we no efiri me ankasa ene wankasa wo doyire ma Mary ene nkwada no we akire ho no wo mo nam kwan so ba no mo wo ho nyina ena me ankasa nso me yire ye Cynthia Kesi ena ye de sa birthday we ade ma Onyankopon wo nhira pa odifo nso se Nyankopon nye okese na bibia nkoboko
me da se ne ese eyi enkokọ no o ma awe wo mo
na Adwoa ka birthday ne baako
sa ni ewie
ena ye odifo na birthday
okay
your friend no
na ba na be ma
ne na be ma your friend no Kingsley Osaikisi our UK sisi happy birthday me friend no Big Papa but odifo ajenkwa na kasa
okay
happy birthday boss papa
UK mo fatra no
say of
our kudu nyina no hola
dachi ti
yemana wodapa
happy birthday Nyankopon shira na we die free me ankasa me ne odifo ne me yire enna ono ankasa nso ne doyire
hwe Sompa
hwe woni phone so enna ne ba Christopher ene Kayla Nyankopon shira mo pa na omawo adom no ne nhunumu no ne nyansa no wonfa ne
odifo Kayla no
nti Nyankopon wo nhira pa
that's right anti yebeko si ese nkoko nketenkete no wo amanfo de aye nkwan wo marry minister
omo wie nko send video de
ama minister say yewe hey
aya
minister mo an kra say omo nyine ye kra ye wibi
say ye kom
Debbie, look, let's be serious in this country. Auntie Ade we be ye adwuma
na history repeat itself.
Okay, confirm to the Burkina
and honorable Erikupu and honorable Sutimi ebe kasa asemi kire ye say nkrofo so marry nkoko
no minority aso asemi den
say na no sada isi
eni abre ho den say we dey yokofo mrem
say no kan parliament
nkoko abusua project aban initiative nkoko nketenkete ne yesi ye boa se ye be ya ye import frozen chicken no dodo ma yesi nkoko no amanfo awe wo de aye nkwan na minister abekire yesi wo evidence crofo send videos se nkoko no wo ma awe
mo send asende onabo
na wo de send onabo no onabo so de baaye se mo hwe obebo amane se nkoko no ye de aye nkwan o manye etimu no no we
se we no ye ntime nka se cause financial loss to the state
na de cause financial loss to the state wonim sika ban de share sa initiative
and I know say nka
ene se wo ye ma obi na wawe a emra betimi atiawo
ye chekura nkrofo ko bo ho atwede se ye mfa ma wo mo betimi aye no o ma ye ni ye ye be ma party
boys and girls
so
no you no Supreme Court of once mo kan na me person meka say create lutension ai Adwoa mpatwa mama foundation scripture no ya me nyim free so Galatians chapter 4 verse number 16 bit man say I do the
no cry am kan kire wonti ma ya motamfo ana
Galatians chapter 4 verse 16 brofo no essay have I now become your enemy by telling you the truth eja fa true
no cry me kan kire munti na afi mabaye motamfo yi
sa se me busa number 1 interior ministry na fe magina so asan abusa e de awura interior ho no me de awura Ghana Immigration Service say no kra ye ka kire mo ha ntie say ya ye omotamfo ana sanse asem bi wa ha enura me hye tiefo obo wo Ghana today so say
Adabio wo mutie yo
enfo
migration for
so wo mutie nti ne ya we omotamfo no
okay
say asam no kra na me ka kire wo mo nti no say kwaku ye omotamfo say almost every department our headquarters me video down almost every department every office our Ghana Immigration Service headquarters
we kura wo kan omo share
we are one month sign fa we nko ho because na me enra me share tie for boss me call fin so akodi adwuma bi wo ho na no November 2025 amema o date no 26 November na ya anadwo a adechi 26 November no asembisi yon se offenso kasa kese de free soro ho ba na nyina ba bi o mo fa no ansa na mo de bewura mu abewura le wen krom ho bia bewura kumasi mu ankasa no mo immigration checkpoint e wo ho no I think it's somewhere 2022 and one more year sa checkpoint ni si ho na November 2025 26 November officers insia mame video no na omo wo duty what is you ansa omo free suru ho ba no mu fana no ye Muslims bia on ba bedu omo check no ombe sisi adwonso ne ade bi nso be frɛ nyame jo ma ye bibi kakra ha sa baba pataki tuwa bi se mosque eno omo de ahoma atwa ho sebe ya obi nkwadwonso enwu ho ana be papa ya ye pata no ya wo mu wei ni ya ye pata no mame ma on din ye frɛ no DCOI Ahmed Musa or your Northeast Regional Commander of the Ghana Immigration Service. No one immigration officers na what duty at that time na problem because okojunso gu baby and say ojunso gu and one more thing say ho ya nyonso ho enti wo nam omu scan ni see ya omu check wo na omu kɔ hɔ akojunso no enipa edi kan na e kɔ hɔ no omu ye ho de da bi de omu esan omu nyina asan omu but this man esa etoa so kɔ so no de ne a ɔmo ka no ontie baby opeso dwonso obekɔ akɔdwonso enti sa confrontation we say no ono no now telling them say DCOI in the immigration and one must say also DCOI there show identity near who's and pastor immigration officer and on the hunt to and the boys no interdiction I'm telling you Mr. Ghana Immigration Service there say you money my interdictions and the boys no interdiction since November almost 6 okay 6 officers and they were duty at the time now video we know was a video taken by a colleague officer as evidence because there are instances are almost the one sama office now so near so many evidence and you almost take video we and not because papa they challenge you almost say or your original commander or your DCOI no almost one person who say if you are DCOI show your identity let us know and then tell us why ko baby ese sa ko ne ya ka cho sa wachi na no ntu asam osaka se mo offense for matemon kapa che so be so mo hwe and what pray o to asem and this video omo di call omo office omo offense ho no omo office no omo di call kire omo commander say papa yi ya se o ye DCOI ono na say o ye DCOI na wunim no o hwe video ni no se da bi onim no and o say ne mo fa video ni ma me na me nso me mfa hwe say okay ho afi odi video ne ma commander ewie ye no na video ne nam social media afi yesi boys ni gu immigration service animo ase ama nam so ye frɛ omo kra mo ba regional command e wo Kumasi ama no ye drill wo officer training fun bi e do mo fo mu as punishment ewie ye 7th January 2026 and na wo munya in fact omo ewa wana telephone call by said they should go on interdiction. Okay. 7th January 2026 near Maomo call so Omumbra headquarters wa Accra on 27th January. Enti se se akosisi. Meba omo ba office 27th no. Asamwa ye de kire o man say omo agu immigration service anima say omo di video we ababonti. Meanwhile, omo ka kire omo say omo betimi akọ cyber crime unit akọ ahwe nipa ko ode video ne ba abonten video no nipa de ba abonten still ye hu ye but boys ni we interdiction to date na commander na omo de man no very good that's my point and the thing na ye nko sa commander ne ho na ye nko cyber crime unit ho na ye nko hwe nipa this ade we ba social media ne so na fe ya interdict boys no okay and na make sure say Galatians 4:16 they say have I now become your enemy by telling you the truth ye ka wa ma dwene no a ye ho adwuma rhapsody so na ye be ye bi ho adwuma sesi ade ama o ma ye ka no kra de acho